All three market indices up today. Now, before I get into the show, I really do want to thank all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. All right, with that said, let's go into the Spider SPY ETF and see how it performed today, and let's see where it may be going in the next few days. All right, guys, so here we go. It's right up on the screen right here. As you can see, we've gapped up the last 3 days, looking really, really good. I was actually kind of surprised with the elections and all that, how we've jumped. A lot of people think it's because of the Democrats did not get the Senate, and that's why a lot of people are expecting maybe more controversy in the elections. But who cares? For whatever reason, the market's up, and where's it going? Okay, that's what we care about. So you know what? It looks really, really good. I mean, it's had such a big, massive move here in the last 4 trading days. So don't be worried tomorrow or the next couple of days that we may retrace and come back down to this value area high or this 50-day moving average. That'd be quite normal and probably healthy for the stock. I think we've moved a little too fast too soon, so we'll wait for some pullbacks before getting into some names if you've missed this whole run. Don't get too excited and jump in because you see everything go up thinking you're going to miss anything. Trust me, there's always going to be a pullback, and there's always going to be a good place to buy certain names. Okay, with that said, let's go into one of not many stocks that didn't look really good today. First one's going to be WWR, and the reason why I like it, not only was it down 6 cents today, but again, if you take a look at this, we did close just below that 10 moving average. We were still above the 50, and that 200-day moving average is way below us. So that means, if we can start kind of rounding this turn, watch for a move above today's high tomorrow, and maybe we can catch a little bit of a break, and this stock could go a lot higher. What I really do like about this stock on the charts is two things. First of all, we'll bring this up on the weekly right here. Take a look, guys. We are on this 9 SMA on the weekly. We've held this for the last couple of days, so this is imperative that we stay above this blue line right here, which is that 9 SMA on the weekly. And then lastly, what I do like is this is the 20-day intraday chart. As you can see, the point of control, this red line and that value area low right here are extremely compressed. So if we can get a little bit of a move above this, that would portend some really, really strong moves higher. Okay, that's a WWR. Next stock that I do want to share with you guys is PLL. Really do like this stock. Love the way it's set up. Here we go. That's that 20-day intraday. We're above this point of control right here. So tomorrow, guys, watch that first 30-minute candle. If we could get above that, after that, I would be long the stock. Still great story in this name. They did that dilution of only 2.2 million shares. I thought it would have been a lot more. I think the market actually liked it. And if you can tell, the last couple of 2-3 days, we've gapped up and we've now are closing above that 10 SMA. So watch for a break above that 25.50 range. If we can break above that, I think this uptrend is going to be a continuation of this bigger move, and then watch the stock go a lot higher. Okay, guys, that's PLL. Last stock that I do like had a big move today. I almost bought it yesterday when it was down to $6. It's TLRY, TLRY. Played it, sold it, played it a couple of times. Now earnings are coming out here very soon on the 9th of November. Check this out. We're above the point of control on that daily. Really good. We're approaching that 200-day moving average. Let's wait to see what happens on earnings. Let's keep it on our watch and see how how this pans out, because we don't want to get ahead of this. We want to see stocks, even though if they look pretty good, we also want to see them, start making money, right? That's the idea. So again, this whole move might be a short squeeze, or it has to do a lot with the elections and a lot of referendums going out on the marijuana issue. So don't get caught in this name quickly, even though it had a massive move today of 30%. Don't get caught up right now. Just be very careful. We'll wait for a pullback or a better trade position on this one, but keep this on your watch list. Okay. Last one that looks really good is WKHS. We've played this in the past before. Again, we're above this point of control. We're above this 10 SMA right here. We're still way below this 50-day moving average. I'd like to see this come down a little bit. But again, here's one where the risk-reward setup is really nice. You can just, play the low on Monday right down here, Monday, Tuesday of 1626. So you have about $1.50 risk-reward ratio. And if you do that, I think we're setting up nicely for this stock to move higher. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. Hopefully everyone is doing well. Again, my name is Eric, and you can reach me at eric@valueareatrader.com, or just leave a comment down below, and I will get right back to you. All right. So again, if you are a subscriber, I really do appreciate it. And if you're not, please go ahead and do so. I think you will gain a lot of valuable information from my technical analysis. All right, everyone, have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow. And remember to trade smart and be safe.